I just forgot to start a recording. Next session, just to remind me, okay, if it is not getting recorded.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just write one liner. Anyways, I'll give you notes, but not now. At last, your notes, whichever you are writing, I don't give any time like much theory and all, but whichever I give, it is really important. Please make a note of it because before going an interview, this is your notes and your book which you're gonna read. Okay. Like whatever I said, right? Write in your own words or how much ever, like however you understand, because that's your notes. Resume. I'll just show you, okay? Just once you logged off, okay, go to this link. I'll just give you this link also. Follow this properly. I'm recording also. I'll give you this also. Go to that. You will go to this link, okay? You will download this. Okay?
Okay.
Once you download, open that. You have this, right? Okay. Okay, if you're telling this, you'll not understand. You downloaded, right? Open show in folder. Copy this. This is our thing, right? Copy this and keep in one folder. Create your folder name as like Selenium testing with batch, your batch name. Keep your own folder name and just think I'm using this. Paste it here. Okay, paste it here. After that, just do extraction or unzip this. However, whichever the tool you have, I'm just extraction I'm doing. Unzip if you do, you'll find this Chrome driver. Keep it and paste it there only, wherever the folder, whichever the folder, you keep it as a new folder names called softwares, okay, or name it anything and keep it safely. This is your Chrome driver, okay? Understood, right? How to download? Second
Yeah.
thing, Selenium and alone server, right? Go to this link. Just go to previous releases, okay? Copy this and see, I'm pasting, right? If someone is using phone, whoever is using laptop, please guys like open this and keep it pasted somewhere. If anyone is struggling, you guys can forward it to them, okay? If someone is asking doubt, okay? If I'm not
Sure.
available in that case.
Sure.
Now, you'll scroll down, then you'll go to 3.141, is that right here? You'll go to 3.141. Then you'll go to Selenium standalone server. Here is it is there, right? Just a second. Splash. Selenium. Am I audible? Okay, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I lost my connection. Okay, you'll come to this link. I'll just share you this link. I just sent, right? This link. I've sent or no? I've sent, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Previously, yeah.
you'll go to this here, Selenium standalone server 3.141.59. 3.141.59. You'll download this. Okay. And show in folder. Copy this thing also. And Selenium standalone server. Okay. Copy this thing and keep it in the same folder. Understood, right? Two things. One is Chrome driver. One is Selenium standalone server. These two things you'll copy and keep it. Okay, so once these two things are ready, you'll go with all of you know how to download Eclipse, right? Eclipse. Just do one thing, 2000, okay, this is a stable version, right? Okay, download this. Then Windows 64, SHA-256, just download this. Okay, once you download, just do next and do the installation. Understood, right? I'll just give you this link as well.
Yeah. You do this installation, then we need JDK. Okay, I'll give you some particular link for JDK, how to do and how to install. I'll send you the link also. Please do this. Today, you just, whenever you find time, before tomorrow's class, you just do this much ready and keep. From tomorrow, we'll start our coding. See, I have some code. I just want to log into SpiceJet website and just check if it works or not. Just install these three things. One is Chrome driver, one is Selenium standalone server, one is your Eclipse. Okay. If you're stuck anywhere, please do let me know. Okay, this is taking user ID as wrong because I need to give thread. See, this thing, whichever I'm showing you, right? This I'll teach you step by step how you're supposed to do. You'll be able to do within half an hour this thing tomorrow by yourself. This everything is a logic here. Okay, I'll sit and explain to you. Then people will be easily do within 20 minutes. You can do this. Just log in, log out, and all. See, it is coming here. It is waiting for 5 seconds. Then it is you enter user ID password. It is doing logging. It will wait for so much time because it is taking time to load, right? I don't have good network because my power is off. I've connected from phone, so it is taking time. Okay, this is how we'll practice. Yeah. This you'll be like once you do the installation ready. See, now it did the login. Then after once it is here, it will do log out, then it will come out. So much you can learn within 10 minutes tomorrow. Keep your softwares ready. We'll sit and do together. Okay? Yeah, sure. And can you send me those links in WhatsApp itself? That links and
no,
all?
not in WhatsApp. Always I'll be using mail to send a link or a video recording, everything. You guys can follow that.
Okay.